This confidential method is a common practice among fashion designers to be able to insert the needle with precise precision. As the years go by, it is common to face a slight decrease in visual acuity, which can make activities such as reading or sewing difficult. However, there is no reason to worry, because I am here to reveal to you an infallible method that will allow you to insert the needle precisely, using only a simple clothespin, preferably made of wood. The process begins by selecting an electrical cable and choosing one of the strands inside. This strand will be extracted from the cable and carefully folded in a circular shape. Then, with scissors, a suitable segment will be cut and a shape will be given to resemble a small hoop. Once this is done, the hoop will be placed on the mouth of the clothespin. Next, a little glue will be applied to the mouth of the clothespin, and it will wait a few minutes until it dries, thus ensuring that the thread is firmly fixed in place. With this completed, your own homemade thread insert will be ready for use. To test its effectiveness, simply take the needle from the thread wheel and tie it to the end of the thread that is secured to the clothespin. Check that the needle is firmly placed on the bottom of the clothespin. Then, take the free end of the thread and pass it through the hoop that is formed on the clothespin. Then, gently lift the needle and you will see how it is perfectly inserted. This ingenious homemade device will not only save you time every time you need it, but its use will only take a few seconds. To reinforce your confidence in this technique, you can repeat the process as many times as you want. Take the end of the thread and pass it through the hoop of the clothespin. Once again, gently lift the needle and, as before, you will see how it is perfectly inserted. If you made it this far, leave a needle emoji so that I know you saw the full video. If this is the first time you see one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.